Login and security. Creating login values for the different QuoteSoft users within your company will provide access and security for those using the program. In this video, you will learn how to define and manage login, password, and security settings for your QuoteSoft users. Login settings. First, you will need to determine if you want your users to log into the program or not. If you want users to log into the Pipe program, please select this option here. With this option unselected, users will not be required to log in to gain access to the program. If users are required to log into the program and you do not wish to use a unique password, please select this option here. And lastly, you can use the user's Windows login credentials to log into the Pipe program. Please understand, you will only use this option if the Pipe program is installed on each user's computer. Adding a new user. Select the button Add New User and follow the prompts. Enter a login value that will be used each time logging into the program. This can be the user's first name or initials. Then enter the user's full name, first and last. And lastly, enter a unique password for the user. Remember, if you do not wish to use a unique password, you must have first selected the option to allow blank passwords before adding the new user. Security settings. Applying security settings for each user will control how much access they have to the Pipe program. QuoteSoft has given you default security settings for you to use. Set as Administrator gives the user full access to the program. Each company should have an administrator assigned to managing and maintaining your default setup values for database, material pricing, labor, and templates in the program, and should be properly trained to do so. Set as Power User allows the user to only manage jobs and will not allow the user to edit established default values in the program. A power user can add and delete jobs, do zone takeoff, and run reports. The power user security should be applied to those individuals whose primary task is day-to-day estimating. Set as Regular User will only have access to existing jobs to do zone takeoff and run reports. A regular user cannot add nor delete jobs, and of course cannot edit the program's default setup values. The regular user security settings should be applied to those individuals who do not use the program on a daily basis. A good example is a project manager who will only be working up change orders in an existing project. Custom User. If the default administrator, power, and regular user settings are not adequate, custom settings can be configured and applied. Please call our direct dial technical support line to learn how to set up and manage custom security settings if you wish to use them. Managing users. After login values have been created, they can be managed and changed. Existing users can be deleted and copied. Additionally, login values, names, and passwords can be edited. Thank you for watching this video on login and security. Please proceed to the next video to review web services. You can click here to continue to the next video in the series, or click here to return to the Pipe video training menu.